Welcome back to a new video, guys. Look here, this is a new smoke alarm I got a few days ago. So this is what it looks like. It's here the sound comes out from. This is the mounting bracket, or if that's what it's called. This is the button that makes it go off or silence. And I can't stand it over there because my motion sensor I got last Christmas keeps beeping when I stand there and move. But turn your volume down because I'm gonna sound now. This is what it sounds like. It's like it makes two different tones at once. And remember, this is what my my first functional smoke alarm sounds like. Quite high pitched, right? Well, this is what these two sound like together. This is really loud. So it became a little off Let's try it again. That's what they sound like together, but that was it for today's video. Bye!